Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making a refreshing Ramadan Iftar and summer special drink. Sago Milk Fruits Drink. Creamy milk, soft sago pearls, and fresh fruits together make this drink cool, nutritious, and perfect for hot days. First, boil some sago pearls in water. Sago pearls are widely used in summer drinks. They absorb flavor beautifully. Cook until the pearls become transparent. Cook sago until fully transparent. Wash well and strain the water. Keep aside. In a pan, add 2 cups milk, 3 tablespoons sugar. This drink is popular during Ramadan and hot season. Let it boil. And cook for 5 minutes. Cool the milk completely. Prepare fruits by cutting black grapes, green grapes, strawberries, some apples, pomegranate and banana into small pieces. Now assemble the drink. In a bowl, add the chilled milk, boiled sago pearls, and the mixed fruits. Mixing fruits adds natural sweetness. Always cool the milk before mixing fruits. Mix everything well. Sago provides quick energy after fasting, a refreshing and nourishing drink for summer. Serve chill. Fruits provide vitamins and antioxidants. Milk gives calcium and protein. Your refreshing Sago Milk Fruits Drink is ready. Serve chilled and enjoy during iftar or hot summer afternoons. Try this recipe and share your feedback. Follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more refreshing drinks and dessert.